बादल हैं दोनों.
Good morning, friends. Welcome to another edition of Let's Talk Nifty. Let's analyze what Nifty could do today. So I'm going to keep it short. Yesterday, Nifty did not move as per expectation. It just got fizzled out at 21,500, although there is various promising consolidation at 21,500. But then it just fizzled out and it was almost a flattish close. So there was nothing much we could have done there. So today it could be trending because today is BankNifty expiry and MCX Nifty is showing wild levels. So let's look at logically what can happen. So for Nifty to remain positive, Nifty should open either with a gap up or flat. A flat or a gap up opening or a small gap down opening will be positive, and Nifty could go and test the resistance at 121 and move up to 22,200, right? That's the upside levels possible in Nifty, and Nifty will have a problem if it opens below 21,960 levels, because this level has been tested a couple of times, and opening below this will mean that the trend could turn negative and we could test 21,863 again. So 21,971 below, we wait for first candle. 21,916 is the first target, so we get a negative candlestick pattern. We short for 21,916, and 21,863 is the second target, very important level. And 21,842 is another important level, and below that 21,716. So we should look for reversals from 21,967, 21,915, 21,2,863 is the long level. We should look for long from here, or long if it is positive opening or a flattish opening. So today both sides are possible, so let's be open to both sides and be aware that tomorrow is the expiry for Nifty. So Nifty might just do one big movement on either side, so let's not overtrade on Nifty. Now BankNifty was just gathering steam, so and BankNifty is very interestingly poised, perfectly consolidating for a very good up move. So any open which is around here will mean that we can wait for a positive candlestick around 10:30 to 11, and then it can shoot up to 48,483 and 48,682 if bull support. BankNifty again, if it opens gap down below 48,000, so 48,000 could be the key level. It's a round number, so key psychological level. People will be expecting it to sustain. If it doesn't sustain, so we need to wait for it to get tested, and then if it doesn't sustain, then it will be very, very negative for BankNifty, and it could fall all the way down to 47,800 and 47,700. So these two are the critical levels there, and if bulls still don't support, then it will easily fall to 47,465. So that could be the potential range for the day. So trend wise it's still positive, but a big gap down under 48,000 will turn sentiments negative, and because of that bears might come and attack BankNifty. So again, let's be ready for both sides. Depends on where we open today. Very important opening in a quite few number of days. This is the most important opening that we can see, and I wish you all a great trading day. Trade well, trade safe, and trade in the direction of the market. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you with another video. Bye bye.